Hi friends, this is your Dr. BP alias Dr. Bapuji Pullepu. Now we are going to start tutorial 2 problems. So one by one we can solve. We see. So first problem is triple into evaluate triple integral running from 0 to 1, 0 to 2, 0 to 3, x, y, z, dx, dy, dy, dz. See, the function is explicit, means what? X separately can take x dx in one integral, y dy in z dy, but if implicitly means what? X plus y means what? We can not separate. Anyway, this first I will do with respect to x, with respect to y, with respect to z. If I do with respect to y, means what I will get? 0 to 1, 0 to 2, x squared by 2, 0 to 3, dy, then yz is there, dz. Now if you apply the what, you will get 1 by 2, you can take outside, 0 to 1, 0 to 2, upper limit if you apply means 1, 3 square is 9, lower limit vanish, 9 yz dy dz. Take this 9 by 2 also outside. With respect to y, what you will get now? 0 to 1, z you can keep here, y square by 2, 0 to 2, dz. So this is 9 by 2, 0 to 1, z. This what you will get? 4 by 2, dz. This 2, 4 will go off. So 9, 0 to 1, z dz. So 9 z square by 2, 0 to 1. Any doubt? So this will do what? 9 by 2. This is the first problem. Now we go for the second problem. Shall we have? Yeah, evaluate. Second problem is what? 0 to 1, y square to 1, then 0 to 1 minus x, x dz dy dx. See, always you don't concentrate what order when dx, dy, z or dz, dx are same thing. But seeing these limits, what you are understanding here is x is there, y is there. So I cannot do x, y first. No note. With respect to x, I cannot able to do. Then with respect to y also I don't do. So what is the left is what is z. So I will attack with respect to z first. Reaching or not? So as x also in terms of variable is there, y also in terms of variable is there. Finally impossible. Very first stroke I am not able to do x and y. So first stroke only chance is what? Z. So these limits are what? Z is running from 0 to 1 minus x. So now what I will do? Dz first with respect to z. You don't worry about this order actually. 0 to 1, y square 1. With respect to z, if I do means what? Z 0 to 1 minus x. If you want, you can, this is means y means what we are not able to, so this I will write dx dy. If you write dy dx also not, but y means what we are not able to do with respect to y. First you can do with respect to x. Now if you apply limits, what you will get actually 0 to 1. Z integration is what? Z square by I want to apply the limits. If you apply the limit, what you will get? Y square, then 1 minus x dx dy. Now if we come is what? This is in terms of y. So you never do y, highly impossible. So only chance is what? In terms of x you can do. In terms of x you can write dx. Suppose if you write dy dx also, you can change and write, nothing will happen. So what I will do, first simplify 0 to 1, y square to 1, this is what? X minus x square dx dy. Now with respect to y you can do 0 to 1. This with respect to x you can do x square by 2, x cube by 3, y square 1. If you apply limit, what you will get? 0 to 1, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 minus of 4 by 2 minus y to the power of 6 by 3. Any problem? So this what will get? This is what? X is what then with respect to y. Now if you simplify, what will get? 0 to 1, 2, 3 LCM is 6. 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2, 1, 1 by 6 minus, if you want you can write this y power 4 by 2 plus dy. Again integrate. So starting is very important. X also in terms of is there, y also you are able to be missed. Don't do with respect to x and y, first with respect to z. Now if you integrate means what you will get? 1 by 6y minus y power 5 by 10 minus y power 7 by what you will get? 21. 0 to 1. Anyway lower limit vanish. So what will get? 1 by 6 minus 1 by 10 minus 1 by 21. This is equal to, after simplifying you will get 4 by 35 will get. Any problem? So this is very important question. Then we do the later questions. Thank you for watching our channel. Kindly subscribe and comment and share to everyone. Be part of our service. Bye.